oxygen deficiency can cause asphyxiation. What does that mean? We've been trained since this is a legal requirement. Because I'm a safety person, I like to play. I'm sure people come and tell you, can I get oxygen? Okay? So if you have
safety and more importantly within the identity context.
Because the demand for oxygen is ever increasing. All our patients, everyone in this country should be able to access oxygen. Initially, we depended on oxygen concentrators, which were giving us very minimal oxygen. Now we improved to the cylinders, but it's not sustainable.
But we've had not so many incidents. We have had one incident where there was a fire outbreak, courtesy of mishandling of the oxygen. And I think that makes this training very, very important and very, very timely, because we are always having turnover of staff, and some people may not appreciate the seriousness that oxygen poses in terms of safety.
We've had incidences in the past where people treat oxygen like anything else, like their LPG, but we are here to say it's not LPG, it's a non-flammable gas, but it can also assist in combustion. So our training today is to ensure that people are equipped